Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, I will show you how to make character style in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. Go to the Windows menu, click the style and select the character style. Now select a text box or text line and go to the three line icon and new character style and check mark the preview or add to CC library. Now you can add shortcut here. Now I will change font and increase or decrease font size. And hit OK. Now select the text or text box, just add the character style. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.